Right, so to start with, to make your map using Skitch, you're going to need to decide the area that you want to make a map of. So I've decided that I'm going to do the school St Francis, which is just in Idle, Bradford, and the first thing I need to do then is I need to go to Maps, and I'm going to search for the map that I would like. So I want BD240S, which is the postcode for St Francis Catholic Primary School. And then you can see here that at the moment it's not in satellite. So what I need to do is I need to click on the top right where is the little I, and I'm going to click satellite. And then I'm going to X off that, and you'll see that my map is now satellite. I'm going to click X there so I can see bigger, and I'm going to scroll up like that. Then I'm just going to zoom in, and you can see here there's Hanston School, and here is St Francis Catholic Primary School. So I'm going to get it to the size that I want it so I can see just about everything that I want to label. And then when I'm happy with the position, I'm going to screenshot which is done, and then that screenshot will be saved into my camera roll. Okay, the next thing I need to do then is I need to make sure that I've got the downloaded app of Skitch, and you can see here it's down this little pink one with the feathery arrow. I'm going to click that, and what I want to do is I want to find a photo that I've taken. So I'm going to go to camera roll, and I'm going to click the one that I've just taken, which is St Francis, and because you can see that it doesn't take up the whole screen, I'm actually going to just crop it like this and drag, and then I'm happy with that, so I'm going to click crop image, and you'll see it now takes up the whole screen. Now what I want to do is I want to label it. So I'm going to click on the bottom right where there's a picture of an arrow, and I want to have, you can see the arrow is already clicked, so I'm going to label the school playground. So I'm going to drag and draw the arrow. Once I've done that, if I click it, you can see that you can move the arrow around using those blue dots. So I'm going to drag that there, and then after I've done my arrow, I'm going to click the arrow again, and I'm going to go to the A, which means text. And if I tap on the screen, then you can see that it will let me type. So I'm going to type playground. In fact, no, that is our mugger pitch. So I'm going to type mugger pitch, and I'm happy with that. So then what I want to do is I can change the size. I'm just going to drag that back up again. If I click on it, I can use that blue dot again to change the size, and I'm going to position it just here. Now, both of those are in white, so actually what I would like to do is change the colour. So at the moment I've got my text selected, so I'm going to click on the colour at the bottom left, and I want to make that red. And then what you find, if you click the A again on top, you can either make it stand out in bold, or you can make it just a normal red colour. And the same with my arrows as well. I'm going to change that arrow to blue. But what I've done there is both of them were selected. So what I need to do now is make sure that only the arrow is selected. And I'm going to drag that away. And I don't want that as yellow, so I'm going to click again. And I'm going to make that orange and bold. I'm going to drag that just to tidy it up a little bit. So if you click back on the A again, you can see there's some different types of arrows that you can use. So if you want to use one with a smiley face, you've got those. You can draw some shapes. You can write on. So it might be that I want to label something here. Although it doesn't stand out very well, I can change the width and the thickness. I'm going to delete that there. And that is I'm going to change the thickness again there. That is our playground. But you can see that that doesn't look quite as neat and tidy as when I've used the text and the arrows from the right side. So I'm going to get rid of that. So once you're happy with your labelled annotation, then all you need to do then is click on the top right, and then I would click save and to photos, and that's going to save into my photos. And if I go back now You can see that it is in my camera roll there. And that is everything that you need to do.
Click here to see all our other Techaway Challenge videos, or click here to see all our how-to videos to show you how to do the challenges, or click here to subscribe to our channel.